Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting your Bluetooth accessory ready, charge it, enable pairing mode, and keep it near the TV. On your OnePlus TV, press Home, then open Settings. This gets you to system options faster. Once done, go to Remotes and Accessories and choose Bluetooth so the TV will scan. You do this first because the TV has to discover devices, otherwise pairing cannot proceed. If you see a permissions prompt, accept it so Bluetooth can search and pair correctly. Now you scan and pair. Select Scan or Add Device so the TV lists nearby Bluetooth peripherals. When your device appears, highlight and select it. Accept pairing prompts on both the TV and the accessory. If a PIN appears, enter or confirm it, typically 0000 or 1234. The TV will tell you. Make sure you remain within close range during this exchange so signal interference doesn't break the link. After a few seconds, the TV should show paired or connected, which means audio and controls can work. Finish by testing. Play audio or try remote buttons to verify the connection works as expected. If something fails, make sure the accessory is still in pairing mode and then toggle Bluetooth off and on in TV settings. Retry scanning. If that doesn't help, reboot the OnePlus TV and power cycle the accessory. That clears transient faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if multiple devices previously paired are interfering, unpair or forget unused devices on the TV before attempting a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.